We're going to get right into this video. Excuse me, I'm feeling a little bit under the weather. I'm using a waxing pad and I'm applying my Lysol wipe solution. Usually I would use Cavi wipes, but this is just a demonstration. I have arrowroot powder, and I'm also going to be trying my new sugaring paste. You're going to need nitrile gloves, and a little trick that I do is I apply multiple gloves onto each hand. This saves time as you get messy with the sugaring paste. You don't want to keep going back and forth. Now you're going to sprinkle a little bit of powder onto the waxing pad and you're going to rub it in, making sure that the entire surface is powdered. If this was a client, you will make sure the area that your sugaring is powdered. I'm removing the sugaring paste from the sugaring warmer, and as you can see, it's a little bit runny. This is some problems that you'll run into as a new sugarista. Anyway, I apply the sugaring paste using the tips of my fingers, and I'm running into some problems. It's not flicking, it's not lifting up. I know that I'm flicking properly, but the sugaring paste is too runny. It's too warm and it's not doing what it's supposed to. So how I fix this is that I get another sugaring ball and I wait till it's a little bit cooler, and then I apply that, and then I use that same ball and take the sugar and remove it from the place that's sticky, as you'll see here. It's a little bit out of frame, but there you go. And that's how you do it. So you just take another sugaring ball, a cooler one, and you apply it to the same one and flick it off. Now I'm just doing it again. And make sure you have those ridges. You know you're doing the ridges right, but you still can't quite get it up. Actually, I'm going to try to see if I can maneuver my way out of this. I'm going to add extra powder. And this helped a little tiny bit, but it looks like I'm still going to need a little bit more sugar to flick this up. As you can see, I'm just manipulating it, trying to get it up. At this point, the good thing about sugaring paste is that if you get tired, you can always wipe it off with water and soap.